forgot to tell you guys, make sure you guys have clean skin before you put the aloe vera on your face. Wash your face, tone your face, exfoliate, do whatever you have to do before putting the aloe vera on your face. Forgot to tell you guys, but that's the most important part. I just got out the shower and I had an idea. I wanted to show you guys how I use aloe vera, like the fresh aloe vera leaf, to heal my skin. I got aloe vera from my dad's house in his backyard. He has like a plant back there, and I honestly just found out about it and I was super happy about it because I've been trying to find aloe vera everywhere. Like, you guys don't even know how like non-existent that shit is right now. It makes my breakouts go down, it helps with inflammation, helps with healing. Aloe vera is just so good for you in general, so I just want to show you guys what I do and how I do it. Hi. Alright, I have a lot of redness, a lot of stuff going on. My face is a little congested and I started picking at it, so. But yeah, guys, that's how sensitive my skin is. Once I touch it, it just turns super red. I keep it in the fridge in a Ziploc bag. This stayed fresh for at least 2 weeks. Make sure you wash it before cutting it because you don't want any of the bacteria that's on the outside getting into your skin. Make sure that whatever leaf you use is thick at the bottom so that you get more gel when you cut it. So I like to take off the edge first, because it was probably touching dirt or it probably went bad on the outside, so it's all fresh in the inside. And then I'll just take maybe like 2 inches or so. I'll save the rest for later. This pointy side, you just want to cut off so that it's flat, both sides. And then now you're just going to, you could either cut in the middle of the gel or cut next to the green sides. I like to cut next to the green sides, so then I get more gel in the middle. So I get it as close to the green as I can. I just do 1 slice till your knife is in there, and then I just slowly wiggle it. It's like so. This is as close to the green part as I can get, because you can feel the knife under your fingers. The gel. And this is the main part that you need for all your masks. And then I just put this in here, and this is already crushed up, so what I used is just a fork and I just crushed it until it's like as goopy as I can get it. So I'll do that later as well. And then now I'm going to show you guys how I apply it. Just use these green parts here, the inside where all the gel is, and then I will just start rubbing it and really get under my eyes. This really helps for aging and like wrinkles and dark circles. The most effective way that I have been using it is like as a moisturizer. So goopy, but when it dries on your face, it dries like super dry. Like you can't even feel it on your face. But the only thing is you can't put anything on top of it because it starts to like peel off. I wanted to do a challenge, maybe I will, like 1 week of using this, and you guys can see like a before and after. This is like the weirdest thing, the weirdest feeling. Like rubbing slimy shit everywhere. It's low-key like kind of gross because it looks like something else. Gets rid of oil and all that stuff. Okay, you guys, so the aloe vera has dried. This is what I'm talking about. It's honestly super dry, right? It's not sticky at all. It just feels like your skin is sealed, like as if you just sealed it up with like plastic wrap. And it's like tightening everything, not sticky, it's not wet. It's just making my skin look so good. What's up, guys? So it's the day after I did the aloe vera treatment overnight, and let me tell you, my skin is glowing, it's healed, there's no inflammation, super smooth. I love it, you guys. The way I use it overnight is honestly super effective. So if you guys want to give this a try, I highly recommend using it overnight. As you can see, I had a lot of inflammation last night and a lot of open skin just because I was picking at my skin. But look at it now. It's super clear. It's not fully clear because I still have a couple of dark spots that I need to lighten up, but it really does help with dark spots, really does help with inflammation. My skin is completely healed, like there's no scabs or anything on it. I really just love like how organic it is, and I can literally use it at any time without it interfering with any type of skincare that I'm using. So I decided I'm going to make a part 2 version of this video where I use aloe vera for a whole week straight, and I'll show you guys what my skin looks like after that, just to show you guys how effective aloe vera is and how good it is for your skin. So if you guys want to see that video and if you're excited for that video, make sure, if you're not already, subscribed. And if you're new here, thank you for tuning in, by the way. Subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you don't miss that upload, because you guys don't want to miss it, okay? This is a game changer. If you guys want to give this a try and you don't know exactly where to get aloe vera, I know they have it at Whole Foods. They also have it at Sprouts at some locations, but out here in Vegas, they don't really have it anywhere right now. So it's honestly easier just to buy aloe vera plant from like a Lowe's or something like that. You can use it for about almost anything. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I know to make more like this one. Also, comment down below if you tried aloe vera before. I really want to know your guys' experience with it. Anyways, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.